Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you how to edit your picture on Picsart application. So this is a basic tutorial about the Picsart application. So to edit your picture, you just need to jump into this plus button, and after that you just need to scrolling this part to access the video or the photos that you want to edit into the Picsart application. If you want to have an access all, you just need to go click see all. And after that, the phone or this Picsart application will bring you into your photos or video collections on your device. And you just need to choose the photos that you want to edit. So for example, let's edit these photos. And whenever you already imported the photos, you can just start editing by using the tools that give by Picsart down here. You just need to slide it into the left side to find more about the tools that probably you need. So you just need to go click the tools. If you want to give an effects for the photo, you just need to go click this effects part and find out the effects that you want to apply into this picture. For example, if you want to make like a blink effect, go into the rosy and you will got the bling on it. You can also adjust in it by go click this twice, and you can also adjust in the spread of the blinked as well as the intensity. You just need to just find out the best match. Okay, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click apply. When you're done editing, you just need to go click this symbol to save this editing into your device. So that's the way how to do editing in a Picsart application. Hopefully this tutorial is get you so well guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.